to the right, to the right, to the left, to the left. Oh boy. Oh, dearie me, Samuel. Oh, it's unfortunate what's happened here. Can you tell me what this sign up here says? Can you tell me what this sign up here says? It has a P with a circle around it and a line through it. What?
I'm just waiting.
Yeah, but the problem is you're waiting in a bike lane, which is a piece of infrastructure designed to save my life and the lives of the other two people that you endangered. Yeah, he had to move out into the traffic lane where he faced increased risk of rear-ending as a result of your refusal to follow the traffic laws you agreed to follow. There's a place to pull in right there. There's a place to pull in right there. You're allowed to pull up there. Well, you're not allowed to be here either because this belongs to cyclists and to the city of Minneapolis. If you're comfortable putting other people's lives in risk because you're too lazy to find a legal spot to park, that's just the sign of a bad person. Just obey the law. 837 Kilo Sierra Hotel.
What's the problem?
What's the problem now, huh?
Can't park in the bike lane. Just follow the law you agreed to follow when you got a machine that kills 40,000 people a year. I'm going in the traffic lane.
What's all the shit now?
Ah, what music do I want to play? Oh, let's just play what's already on there. Ah.